today I am going to teach you chapter number 1 of physical education. This is new subject for you. Chapter number 1, that is changing trends and careers in physical education. After studying this physical education, which are the here changing trends and which are the careers in physical education. So today I am going to teach you about various physical education here courses available in India and careers options in physical education. Today my topic is various physical education courses available in India and career options in physical education. So let's start today about various physical education courses in India. Opting physical education, this is a regular course nowadays, becoming significant with gaining popularity. Well-designed curriculum for different levels is available at various institutes, enabling students to pursue physical education after completing school or graduation. Even at the school level, the subject has been introduced as a part of academics to bring a balance here and to achieve overall development of a child. Students after completing 10+2 in any stream can take up a bachelor's degree or a diploma in physical education in any Indian university. Graduates of any discipline, commerce, science, can pursue master's degree in any Indian or foreign universities. Opting physical education in higher education and completing the same offers a lot of career opportunities. Avenues like sports academy, health clubs, sports goods manufacturing companies, marketing, media, commentary, journalism, training and teaching provide excellent prospects for such professionals. Bachelor's degree in physical education is usually of 3 to 4 years. That is of 3 to 4 years. There are several specialized courses available for students to choose from. For example, students can choose to specialize in yoga, which incorporates theoretical lessons in anatomy, physiology, and traditional yoga. The most popular specialization in physical education teaching, which includes multidisciplinary and pedagogical courses. So, much similar to other degree programs, undergraduate courses in physical education includes classroom lectures with practical physical education exercises. Some courses that you might find in the degree program. First it is bachelor's degree. So bachelor's degree, it is of many types. BA in physical education, BA yoga, B.Ed physical education, B.P.Ed Bachelor of Physical Education, B.Sc Physical Education and Sport. These are the bachelor degrees here courses which are available in India. After this B.P.Ed is done after graduation. So we can say कि bachelor degrees are BA Physical Education, BA Yoga, B.Ed Physical Education, B.P.Ed Physical Education, B.Sc Physical Education and Sports. So diploma courses Diploma courses are Diploma in Yoga Teacher Training. Diploma courses are Diploma in Yoga Teacher Training. Diploma in Yoga Teacher Training. Second is Diploma in Physical Education. Then third it is Diploma in Yoga. Diploma in Yoga. So diploma courses are, first is Diploma in Yoga Teacher Training. Second is Diploma in Physical Education. Diploma in Yoga. Diploma in Yoga and Physical Education. Postgraduate Diploma in Adapted Physical Education. Postgraduate Diploma in Movement Education. Postgraduate Diploma in Physical Science. Postgraduate Diploma in Yoga. Postgraduate Diploma in Yoga and Naturopathy. So these are diploma courses. How many? Diploma in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 courses. Diploma in Yoga Teacher Training, Diploma in Physical Education, Diploma in Yoga, Diploma in Yoga and Physical Education, Postgraduate Diploma in Adapted Physical Education, Postgraduate Diploma in Movement Education, Postgraduate Diploma in Physical Science, Postgraduate Diploma in Yoga, Postgraduate Diploma in Yoga and Naturopathy. So these are diploma courses. Then there are some other certificate courses are there. Certificate course in aerobics, certificate course in yoga and naturopathy, certified courses here in naturopathy, certified course in yoga science, certificate course in yoga. So certificate courses are there. Certificate course in aerobics, certificate, some are here certificate courses. Number 1, it is certificate course in aerobics. Second, it is certificate course in yoga and naturopathy. Certificate course in yoga and naturopathy. Third is certificate course in naturopathy. It is with yoga and naturopathy. Now it is certificate course in naturopathy. Then certified course in yoga science. Certified course in yoga science. Certified course in yoga science. Now there is too much trend of this course, yoga science. Certified course in yoga. Certified course in yoga. Too much trend of yoga nowadays. So these are the certified courses. Postgraduate program in this field are designed to provide further development in skills of students who have learned physical education in bachelor degrees program. Master's degree holder often find leadership positions like directors or principals in educational institutions or boards. Students aspiring to apply to master's degree in this field must have a bachelor's degree. In some cases, program will accept students with graduate degree in any discipline. Course in this program focus on advanced education techniques and educational theory in addition to advanced practical classes. Here are some courses available in universities. These are master's degree, MA in yoga, MPEd, Master of Physical Education, MA Physical Education, MPhil Physical Education, PhD in Physical Education. So master's degree here, master's degree, these are diploma courses. Now master's degree. Master's degree. Master's degree, MA yoga, MA in yoga, then MD at, then MA physical education, MPhil in physical education, MPhil in physical education, then PhD in physical education, PhD. PhD in physical education. So these are master's degree courses which are available in India. So now, what are the career options in physical education? Mainly there are two types of career options in the field of physical education. The first type of career option is related to teaching and coaching physical education. These are called traditional careers in physical education. The second type of career option, it is related to emerging careers in physical education. That is health related careers, administration related careers, sports performance related careers, media related careers, etc. The above mentioned careers in this field of which here physical education are teaching career in physical education. So but after having these courses, then what are the careers? So career in physical education, it is teaching career. Okay, first it is teaching career. Physical education has traditionally been considered as a professional field appropriate only for those interested in teaching career. The teaching career offers many rewards to teachers, whether they are engaged in elementary schools, middle schools or high schools, senior secondary schools, colleges or universities. This career is usually considered to have many benefits. The teacher in the field of physical education commands deep respect among the students because he makes a good contribution to society. This career provides internal satisfaction. In teaching career, there is better job security, teaching opportunity. In the field of physical education is at different levels. It is first level, it is teaching career in elementary schools. It has been recognized that key physical education is must in elementary schools. Basic skills and attitudes can be learned well in this period. Physical education plays a vital role in all-round development of the child. Even eminent physiologists say that motor as well as sensory experiences of children are extremely important in the development of intelligence. Through the program of physical education, children become creative, develop self-image, and grow in holistic manner. The emphasis can be placed on learning the various activities such as running, jumping, climbing, throwing, catching, kicking, and striking. In India, there is no career opportunity for physical education teachers in elementary schools. Generally, the teachers of other subjects who are not specialized in physical education teach physical activities. This is the main drawback in India. Owing to this, Indians are lagging behind in the field of sports at world level. As physical education is compulsory in elementary schools in advanced countries of the world, such countries win laurels for their countries at world level. The government as well as society must lay stress on implementing physical education in primary schools, and qualified physical education teachers should be appointed in these schools so they may help in making good sports person and fittest citizens. Then middle school. What are the career in middle school? Career opportunity for physical education teachers in the middle schools are ample, but only in the schools of big cities. In such schools, there is a separate syllabus for 6th, 7th and 8th classes. In government middle schools, there are rare opportunities of employment of physical education teachers. Although the subject of physical education is offered in such schools, it is implemented in a formal way. In some schools where teachers of physical education are employed, they are required to teach other subjects also. Extra burden, huh? They are also asked to teach other subjects also. Consequently, it can be said that in middle schools, the opportunities of jobs in the field of physical education are not sufficient. Then high school. Generally, there are a number of opportunities for jobs in the field of physical education in government and private public high schools. Specialized teachers of physical education are appointed in such schools. They are required to teach theory and practicals of physical education. They are also required to prepare various teams of sports for inter-school competitions. Then senior secondary schools, it is common practice throughout the country to engage special teachers of physical education in senior secondary schools. In some schools, here lecturers in physical education are appointed to teach theory. Physical education is an optional subject in government and senior secondary public schools. These teachers are required to maintain discipline in schools. They also need to prepare various teams of sports for inter-school tournaments. There are ample opportunities of job in such schools. Then college and universities. There are many job opportunities to teach physical education in colleges and universities. Physical education is an optional subject in colleges. There are various professional courses in physical education in a number of colleges, such as certificate courses in physical education, certificate course in physical education, CPED, diploma course in physical education, bachelor's degree in physical education, certificate courses in yoga, BSc in physical education, and sports and master's degree in physical education. So, in here we can say that preference is given to PhD degree holders to teach at university levels. PhD degree holders here, they teach at the university level. PhD research work and publishing of books are also essential here. Essential qualifications along with college level qualification. At the college level, preparation of various teams of sports is also an associated job, whereas at university level, only teachers are required to teach various subjects such as research methodology, test and measurement sports, physiology, and sports sociology, sports biomechanics, sports medicine, exercise here physiology, organization and administration, etc. So teaching in non-school settings such as teaching in sports clubs, teaching in youth and community organizations, teaching in centers for elders, teaching in resorts, etc. are applicable in USA, UK, Germany, France, Japan and Russia. In India, fewer jobs opportunities are available here in this field as compared to other countries. So today you have learned about the various physical education courses in India and career options in physical education. So whatever is taught, you will learn all these courses and you can prepare notes with the help of video. So thank you. Stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, take proper care. Stay blessed. Thank you.